Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. So today I'm going to review one of my favorite perfume, which is the Mykonos Inception Extrait the Perfume 100 ml. Many fragrance lovers know this perfume because it is often called one of the best alternative or dupe for the famous luxury perfume. Yeah, Louis Vuitton Imagination or LV Imagination. Many review or perfume lovers have compared it to LV Imagination because they share a similar fresh citrus and tea scent profile. The original from Louis Vuitton Imagination is the very expensive. So Mykonos Inception become popular because it offers a similar experience out at a much lower price. I bought this fragrance around maybe for 400,000 rupiah. Yeah. So today I will talk about the packaging and the scent and the performance and my final opinion and about this perfume. Packaging. First, let's talk about the packaging. In my opinion, the bottle looks simple but premium. The design is clean and modern. The cap feels solid with the magnet. Yeah, like this. And the bottle itself looks more expensive. That is actual price. And next, I also like the dark color from blue of the bottle because it's the give a luxurious impression. The perfume comes in 100 ml size, which is the enough for daily use for many months. Yeah, overall, I think the packaging is the elegant and practical. Now let's talk about the scent. The first time I spray the perfume, I immediately noticed a fresh citrus smell. According to the official note, the opening contains the bergamot and ginger and orange and lemon. The lemon and bergamot make this fragrance feel bright and refreshing. The ginger adds a little spicy feeling, but it is not too strong. Yeah. For me, the opening smell clean and fresh, and maybe energetic. It feel like the perfect scent for a hot day, for summer. Yeah. Many people say that Inception has a stronger citrus opening compared to LV Imagination. And after a few minutes, the fragrance start to change. The middle notes are black tea, neroli, and cinnamon and baige flower. This is where the perfume becomes very interesting. The black tea from this fragrance, Mykonos Inception, Not is one of the main reason why people compare it to the LV Imagination. The tea notes smell clean, smooth, and slight aromatic. And this is give a relaxing and feeling. And the cinnamon adds a little warmth, while the nerolin gives a soft floral touch. For me, it is the best part of the fragrance. The combination of citrus and black tea smell very classy and expensive, like the Elfie imagination. Yeah. After several hours, the perfumes move into the dry down base note. The base note are goily wood and little musky and cedarwood and larenox. At this stage, the fragrance becomes smooth and softer. Um, kayu apa kayu? The woody notes create a clean and elegant feeling, and the mask makes makes it feel fresh, maybe fresh and comfortable. Even though the citrus become weaker, the fragrance still smell refined and luxurious. Many users describe the Dryden as smooth, clean, and premium. Now let's talk about performance. Since this is an extract the perfume, not eau de perfume or maybe eau de toilet. No, no, this is extract. The concentration is the high, quite high. The projection is strong during the first few hours, maybe around 1 until 3 hour, and people around you can easily notice this scent. Trust me. And on my skin, the perfume lasts around 6 until 9 yeah hour, and on the cloth it can last even longer. Some user reports around 6 to 10 hour, depending on skin type and weather condition. For a fresh fragrance, I think the performance is the very good. One thing I really like about Mykonos Inception is the versatility, like the Mykonos uh, apa penthouse leather. This perfume is the unisex, also unisex, so both men and women can wear it, and you can wear it to school and to college and to work, to the mall, to other cafe, or maybe to formal event. Because this is fragrance, the scent is the fresh and clean. It's work well during the day. However, uh, it can also be warm at night because of the warmth and woody notes. For me, this is an all-around fragrance. Comparison with Louis Vuitton Imagination. Now let's talk about the compression that many people are interested in. As I mentioned earlier, this is fragrant Mykonos Inception is the often called a dupe of LV Imagination. Of course, it is not exactly the same because LV very expensive and The original LV Imagination is smoother and more refined. However, many fragrance lovers believe the Inception captured the same fresh citrus and tea DNA very well. Some reviewers even describe it is the as one of the closest LV imagination alternate currently available. Considering the huge price difference, I think Mykonos Inception offers excellent value for money. Pros and cons. Pros in the Mykonos Inception and fresh, clean scent, and this is the fragrance strong citrus and tea combination, and for performance is good and suitable for many occasion, and unisex fragrance much cheaper than LV Imagination. And cons, some people may find the opening slightly sharp because of the ginger and citrus note. If you prefer sweet the fragrance, this is may not be your style because this is very fresh. It is the often sold out because it is the popularity. I rating this fragrance uh, overall in the 9 out of 10. Yeah. Yeah, thank you for watching for my review, and see you in the next video.